My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Big Brother Naija winner wey be they call Whitemoney, and also all the female Big Brother Naija housemates. Online in-laws don't give them woto woto, no be small thing. Ever since this girl that Hilda Basi wey cook 100 hours, dem wan break Guinness world record. Ever since she achieve am, they never let Whitemoney and Big Brother Naija housemates get peace. So na Whitemoney on I pain them pass. Every other person on pain them, but na Whitemoney on I pain Nigerians pass. So the person wey be say pain pass come say, I feel Whitemoney would have advanced his career had it been he decided to do what Hida is doing today. Hell no. Speedy Darlington was his role model. Okay. And I remember say for Big Brother Naija house that time, Whitemoney use cooking as strategy to win Big Brother. Even when he dey do that thing wey he dey do, me I know say that boy not really deserve that win, but e no get wetin we go do now. Nigerians dey sabi support wetin no get head sometimes, just for supporting a bad wagon. They always wan follow the crowd. Most people they just wan follow the crowd. No, they no get mind of their own. You no fit dey on your own say no, this thing I no fit follow wetin other people dey do, I must do my own. E no be like that for this our country. Everybody they wan follow wetin everybody dey do. So as Hida don win this thing, na people come sit down. The ones wey vote for Whitemoney follow dey talk. They come sit down, come think and say this Whitemoney wey we vote for, all these Big Brother Naija people wey we dey kpai ourselves for the fight unnecessarily, they never still achieve wetin this Hida don achieve in a space of just 72 100 hours. So some of them come drop their own 2 kobo on top the matter. So make I continue to read their comments for now. So another one can say, if Hida Basi fit break world record within 90 hours, why Whitemoney spent 72 days cooking for BBNaija without breaking any record? In dey ask us the question. So una go help me answer am for comment section, because me sef I don't know what to say. Another one can say, one reason why I'm happy about this Hida Basi's cooking quest is because it shows that given the right audience and drive, Nigerians are very creative people. Hida has to think on her toes to work out different meals and recipes. Can we promote more of this and not use BBNaija? Okay. So another one can say, even BBNaija no fit run this kind type. The guy can show us the Hida Basi profile for Instagram. Instagram be this, I mean, na Twitter. Na Instagram for Instagram. Because the time wey be say she start this thing, I check her page, she get 200 and something k followers. Then like 2 days later, I come dey see say she don get 420. Then 4 days later, they see 749. This 400. So if you go there now, she don dey 1.1 million followers safe, or more than safe. The last time I check her yesterday, na 1.1 million followers now she don't get. So make I continue. Another one can say, Hida use 4 days gain followers wey BBNaija housemate dey use 3 months gain. So as people don't talk their own talk, they can still come. On the last person here can say, I'm going to discuss how BBN is fading as route for endorsement and is best only for chopping people's money and short-term fame later today. Honestly, the only thing wey Big Brother Naija and Big Brother Titan, whatever they call themselves, they ever do na to chop people money, come online, they go mark people head together. Till today, Fina fans and Beauty fans, they still dey fight. Fina fans and Groovy fans still dey fight. Fina fans and Chichi fans still dey fight. They still dey knack each other head together. Now wetin the show dey good at. The fame self na short term. Go check all those the face set. All of them wey even go there safe. They no dey hear from them again. The only surviving housemates wey be say still dey surviving for the entertainment industry na Bisola from that their set. The rest, I don't know wetin they do that those ones. Uriel sef still dey even try. They still dey do her. We still dey see am for Instagram once where she dey do her workout, dey do her weight loss recipe. She still dey try. but the person wey still dey for spotlight na Bisola. If we wan talk about the other ones, Miracle wey even win, that one just run, we no hear from am again, we no know where e dey. So na so. So Whitemoney own I come pain dem pass, so make I read wetin dey talk concerning Whitemoney matter. The first person here come say, the person dey try to explain say Whitemoney nothing e sabi do, say the cooking wey be say e go wetin e achieve from the cooking wey go for Big Brother house na to come outside come do microblading. So e come say microblading will not allow the flower boy to last hours, as in Whitemoney no go fit stand the way Hilda take stand for how many hours take dey cook, dey do all those things. Say no, say im prefer to go dey draw eyebrow. Woman, wetin woman dey draw for eye na Whitemoney dey draw, na im be im own. So another one come say, despite how I love food, I can't cook for 95 hours in my next 1 million life. Well, na true, me sef I no fit. Can't come and buy myself, please. Next one come say, laugh out loud. This guy just whine everybody saying they cook inside house. Now so just use the cooking deceive Nigerians. Nigerians are too gullible. We too dey gullible for this country. They quick easily deceive us with mumu things. So another one, the person go say the thing where Whitemoney dey good at, say na best in music. Im come put laughing emoji. They try to mock Whitemoney because all of us know say the song where Whitemoney dey sing, na God na go help us for that aspect. So the next one come say he's a talented musician. Come waka comot. He dey mock the guy. Let him be, okay now. The last one come stay stop. Na come put laughing emoji. Well, na Whitemoney our winner. Now na take dey do caricature. So okay, well. Yeah, I don't see am. The thing wey be say dey there be say everybody really get wetin go blow them eventually for life. You get some people wey dey very daring, and I go give am to Hilda Basi. The girl is very daring. For her to fit come up with that kind of plan to do that kind of thing, and she see am pull am through, e no really easy. Whitemoney on your own, in don see say maybe he no fit push himself too much. He say make he do the one wey be say he go fit do to take win the money, and he work hard for am. So different anything wey be say anybody dey do, just do am well. Maybe just the main thing, just do am well. Eventually e go pay off, and e pay off for both Hilda and e pay off for Whitemoney. So Whitemoney, na him know if he wan continue the cooking for outside or not. Who knows? Everybody don collect woto for this Hilda matter. Even Chioma, Davido sef, they don cause that one tire. But we no wan enter that matter now. Una take care, una bye.